Right, we've just got I'm just gonna get straight to the kill. Just got the DJI Osmo Pocket 2, because this is a new version. So that's what's coming in. What the phone clip? I got the additional phone clip as well. I thought it would take less strain. The connection will take less strain with the phone clip, hopefully. But you don't necessarily need the phone clip though. You can still connect your phone to it without the phone clip. So that's that. We'll check that out later. Let's open the box. What is that? The Osmo's inside the case there. And this is, we'll find out what that is. Looks like that's the instruction manual. Okay, nicely. I don't know if because of the light you can see it. Nicely secured. The tripod mount, looks like that's a mic. Looks like that's a small tripod case, and that looks like as if it's the do it all connection. So with this connection, it includes the stereo jack, the tripod connection, the 1/4 inch, and it's got the wireless, the Bluetooth connection as well. So, but anyway, this is just an unboxing. I'm not really doing a review on the thing, but I'm just showing you what's coming on with it. And the tripod, let's do it all at once. Okay, so that's that. And yeah, let's open the main thing. I've been excited about this because I've actually always wanted the right vlog camera. So it is a vlog camera. That's my intention of use, just for vlogs only. I've got other cameras, professional cameras, but I'm gonna try using this. So you get this in the box. There's no like a clip or something that pushes it out, it seems like. So you just got it. So obviously they got that secured there. So you just got, I think you just got to manually kind of push it out. But yeah, a nice little button would have been nice, like a button that just pushes it out or something. And I think these cushions there, I think they don't have to remain there. I think that's just for delivery purposes. Yeah, just for delivery purposes, cushions. Let's put that. Let's put the baby there. I need to name that, so think of a name for me. I name all my equipment: cameras, gimbals, Ronins, drones. I name them all. And it just when I'm speaking to my business partner Cash, when we refer to certain equipment, we just refer it by the names given to them. So I need to think of a name for that. Osmo 2. Anyway, so that's the case, the additional bits, the all-in one connection. It's in here. And the Osmo 2 there. Okay, so this looks like it's let's check. It's the windshield for the mic. Okay. I mean, they seal it so hard. Right, so that's a windshield for the mic. Nice little windshield. And that's for the mic. Let's put the wrappers in the box for now. Put this in. So white clutter. Okay, and what else is inside this box? That seems like as if that's a phone connection. So it's, yeah, that's the best version. I'm gonna be, so that's a phone connection. Sorry, that's a sorry, no, this is the joystick for the controlling of the camera, of the camera using the gimbal. And obviously that's the connection button there, so we'll just leave that there for now. What else? Another one. That's about it. All done nicely. And this is the extra wide lens that's included within the I'm not sure if that's actually included in the Pro kit, but that's an extra wire lens anyway. It's got a magnetic connection. It's supposed to have a magnetic connection that just connects at the front. So that's that. Just put that there. Okay. This must be the. Let's find out what it is first. Okay. That's a phone connector. I think this one's for the iPhone connection. And one should be for an Android. I'll be using the Android. But actually I'm going to see, and I'll probably do a review later, to see if it works on an iPad. I've got a small iPad. Where is it? It's close by. So I've got a mini iPad, and I think it's 4th generation or something. And so I'm going to see if actually the Osmo can connect to this. But I'll do a review on that later. And I'll do a review on the actually Osmo after I've used it properly and see how it is. So as I'm opening, so what we do is we do filming as a professional. We do this full time, and it's amazing how something small, so compact, can achieve what it's designed to achieve. And believe me, I've had to carry gimbals and Ronins and do everything on a 5D Mark III when we had the Mark III. Anyway, this is a connection. This is a dual connection. This is to charge the Osmo, the mini Osmo, the Pocket Osmo, and the mic at the same time. So that's why it's a dual connection. So the good thing is you can connect it to a power bank and charge them both, or whatever device charger that you're going to use, and you can connect them both. You can connect them both to the devices. Okay, so that's the unboxing, and you've got the instructions manual, creative combo quick start guide there, and you've got some stickers probably put on, I don't know, the connection that you've got, and this is safety guidelines. And what else? And I do always suggest to read the quick start guide. Apparently the app, and I'll do a different review for the app. The app is, because I've watched a lot of reviews, and they all speak about a bit of everything. So I'm gonna probably do a detailed review on each point. So, but let me get around to it. But the quick start guide, I'll go through it and see. It's quite straightforward, to be honest with you. But this is just an unboxing. That's the purpose of this vlog, and it's just an unboxing what comes with the DJI Pocket 2 creator combo. So you've got your connections for your Android and the Apple connection. You've got your wired lens. You've got the connection for the joystick and that controls the gimbal, and obviously the button for the Osmo. And you've got this sling or whatever you want to call it. And you've got your case here, nice strong case. Within the case, you've got your placements for the lens and the phone connections as well, so you can place them inside there. And also I've got my let's just unpack this. You've got this is a mini tripod, that's the right term for it. It's nice, it's nice and weighty, it's seems like solid metal. It doesn't seem flimsy, it doesn't seem like as if it's cheap. It's it's nice, seems like a nice good weight below the Osmo, so when it's connected. So nice quality connection there. And obviously normally you will have to take this off and put this connection on if you want to connect the tripod, but with the additional only one connection. It's connected. You've got that connection there already, the quarterage. So that's a good thing. And I'm most likely I'm going to keep this on all the time. Right. So that's the so that's a connection. That's a quarterage connection for a tripod. Let's just clear up a little bit. Got my windshield there, and you got the all-in-one connection. Now here you've got the charging connection, you've got the tripod, and you've got the audio jack. Also, I believe it's got the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connection on this as well, so you can connect to your Osmo remotelessly using a remote on the phone for the Osmo, which is excellent. And you've got the wireless mic, which is nice. We normally have the Sennheiser for the professional cameras, but look, if this looks the size of this, it's tiny. And I mean, if once you connect a microphone to it, a lav mic to it, this is perfect. Just connect it on and jobs are good. And it's for, you can also connect the windshield, the mic on it. The windshield can't be separated from the mic. So you can't, it doesn't seem like it anyway, and I don't think it can. So the windshield can't be separated from the mic. And is that specific way? Yeah, it just in general, any direction we do. And booyakasha. You've got the obviously this mic will connect to it wirelessly. Maybe I'll include it in a different review, but this is just an unboxing, so let's put that there. And okay, so we can put the case away. And good thing is as well with this case, which I researched earlier on, you can actually connect this. So once it's packed up, once it's actually, saying like that, you can connect this to the actual case, which is buzzing in it really, because you're not worrying about, you don't want to be carrying this around or the box around or anything like that. Of course, there's nowhere to place the wireless mic or connect the wireless mic to the case. Okay, so I don't want to, okay, this is interesting. Now, is there a way to, yeah. So yeah, so instead of tying it don't tighten the connection too much, just obviously, and that moves itself. So that's something to be careful about. Yeah, and that's about it really. And you've got your connections for your phone. They can be placed inside of the case. Let's see how easy that is. Is it a slide or is it like a push? Seems like it's a slide. Right, my bad. You place it like this. So I mean, personally, I always would have supposed it would have been better not to expose the connectors, to the actually Osmo. I think it would have been better if it's protected, but whatever. They probably know better. And then you can sit your lens, your wide angle lens. Apparently this is supposed to be a magnetic connection. Is there? Yeah, from the back here. So obviously the lens facing out. Wish there was a cover over the lens or something, just to keep it protected when it's not in use. And it sits there nicely, the magnetic area. Apparently this does fall out, the lens. So the connections for the phone connections are fine, but the lens connection apparently does fall out. So I would probably put this somewhere else. And then coming to conclusion, remove the safety cushion that's been with the delivery. It's got the stickers over it. Make sure you see them on when you get your delivery. And apparently the back is magnetic as well. So some people connect like ND filters and stuff to the back. And let's start. And first one, let's put this one. Now we'll read through the manual. Should I read like before? I'll have to add something on. Read this before turning it on. It normally isn't. Okay, so that's just like a covering that gets removed. I don't think it needs to be used again, but I'll just keep it safe anyway, just in case. And this just should slide in. So there seems like there's a slide connection. Yeah, so it's a sliding connection. And it goes all the way in and needs a slight bit of push. There's a bit of resistance there. It seems like as if it's intentional. Okay, and the turn on button is on the side, so I don't need the sticker here again. Keep them all just in case I'm going to sell it or something in the future. Right. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, so when you connect it to your phone, you've got to take this front section off. Right, so that's that. And before we obviously let's move on now to the phone clip. Okay, so there's a little arrow there. Phone case. It's got this inside it. And manual. The phone clip, sorry, not phone case. And what else? Seemed like, yeah, nothing else. That's just seemed like as if that's just casing. Oops. Yeah, nothing else. Silicone gel. And yeah, so I got this, so it doesn't put strain on the connection. So after, if you're using it quite a lot, then it can constantly, I'm supposing if you got something heavy as well, like a heavy phone, so that'd be like a heavy phone. Obviously most phones, if someone using like a Samsung Note or something, kind of nothing else in the, so yeah. And how would you use this? Okay, so you open up from there, and it seems quite straightforward to be honest with you. You connect the Osmo inside that. Apparently you get better stabilization when you've got a phone connected to it. So because when you hold it with one hand, it's just in your hand, just your single hand. But when you got like a phone connected to the Osmo, it's got better stabilization. And that's what I've been reading up on. And I will see later about connecting my phone. It just seems like as if, yeah, this just goes up, and that's how you just connect your phone. You just kind of push it in. It says here, yeah, you just kind of push the phone in as it indicates there, and that's it. Jobs are good, and really, and that's it. This is my new venture for now, and we'll finish it at that. Thanks for that. Appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Please, this is my first vlog, first review of any item. So let me know what I can do better, and feel free to say what you want. Please like and do subscribe. I will start doing some more vlogs and stuff like that of my lifestyle journeys and reviews, whether it be of camera equipment, books, or whatever. I'll do different reviews of whatever I come across, and thank you for that, and there you have it.